Are you looking for the perfect dash cam that truly stands out when it comes to quality, durability, and real value for your money? With so many options available in the market, it's often confusing to figure out which one is actually worth buying. That's where this video comes in. Today, I'll walk you through the top 5 best dash cam, covering their key features, performance, durability, and the real pros and cons you should know before making a purchase. After careful research and comparison, I've selected these products because they've proven to be reliable and helpful for people like you. If you want to check the latest price, detailed specifications, or explore exclusive deals, don't forget to visit the links I've added in the description box below. Those resources will save you time, money, and help you make the smartest buying decision. So, without any further delay, let's dive into the video. We're kicking things off with an excellent start, something that proves great performance doesn't always mean high price. At number 5, WOLFBOX G900 Tripro 4K Mirror Dash Cam, front and rear car camera with night vision. Sleek, smart, and surprisingly powerful. Perfect for anyone looking for real value and reliability. Discover the WOLFBOX G900 Tripro 4K Mirror Dash Cam, a complete front and rear car camera system designed to keep you safe and capture every moment on the road. This dash cam delivers stunning video clarity with 4K front and 2.5K rear recording, giving you detailed footage both day and night thanks to its advanced night vision technology. Installation is simple and seamless, and the mirror design keeps your dashboard clean while offering a wide field of view. One of the best features is its 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to quickly transfer videos to your phone without any complicated setup. It also includes voice control for hands-free operation, making driving safer and more convenient. The package comes with a generous memory card and GPS support, helping you track routes and store your recordings efficiently. Users love the crisp video quality, ease of installation, and reliability during long drives. On the downside, some may find the menu options slightly overwhelming at first, and the mirror screen can reflect sunlight in certain angles. Overall, it is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance car safety and record journeys with high-quality video. Whether for daily commuting, road trips, or parking surveillance, this dash cam provides peace of mind and valuable documentation. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. Stepping up the game, number 4 takes innovation to the next level. Coming in at number 4, we have REDTIGER 4K Dual Dash Cam, front and rear car camera with night vision, combining advanced design, solid build, and features that make your experience smoother than ever. The REDTIGER 4K Dual Dash Cam, front and rear car camera with night vision offers a solid way to boost safety and awareness on the road, whether you drive in busy city streets or long country roads across the USA or internationally. It captures sharp video from both the front and rear of your vehicle and records automatically, which can help you document incidents or simply keep a clear travel log for work or family trips. The night vision feature adds another layer of security by helping you record clearly in low light conditions while parking or driving after dark. This makes it a handy tool for everyday commuters, road trip travelers, rideshare drivers, and anyone who values peace of mind on the road. On the positive side, it delivers crisp video, covers wide angles front and rear, and works quietly in the background without interfering with driving, which makes daily use simple and reliable. It also runs continuously once installed and handles daylight or nighttime driving with ease. On the negative side, it needs a proper installation that may take some time and attention to wiring, and the video files can take up storage space rather quickly if you drive a lot, which means you may need to manage or clear old recordings often. It also does not replace professional fleet tracking systems for heavy commercial use. Overall, it offers a practical balance of safety, quality, and everyday usefulness for most drivers looking for extra confidence on the road, so click the link in the description box to learn more details. Alright, things are getting really exciting now. Our number 3 pick is one that's loved by thousands worldwide. At number 3, ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam, front and rear car camera with 24-hour parking mode. It delivers premium performance, outstanding comfort, and a look that never goes out of style. Protect your car and capture every moment on the road with the ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam, the ultimate front and rear camera solution for total peace of mind. This dual dash cam records ultra-high-definition footage from both angles, giving you full coverage whether you are driving, parked, or on a road trip. Its 24-hour parking mode keeps an eye on your vehicle even when it is off, helping prevent hit-and-runs and vandalism. With wide-angle lenses and advanced night vision, you get sharp, clear video in any lighting condition, making it perfect for early morning commutes or late-night drives. Installation is quick and simple, and the intuitive interface makes accessing and reviewing your recordings effortless. Real pros include dual camera protection, crisp 4K quality, reliable parking monitoring, and user-friendly setup. Real cons to consider are that it may take up a bit more space than single dash cams, and memory cards need regular attention to avoid full storage. Ideal for families, rideshare drivers, or anyone who wants complete driving security, this dash cam blends high-quality performance with practical features you can rely on every day. Keep your journeys safe, backed up, and stress-free while capturing the road ahead like never before. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. We're almost at the top, and this next one is a serious contender for number 1. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2, Tripro 4K Dual Dash Camera, wide-angle, GPS, and built-in Wi-Fi for cars. Built with precision and innovation, it's a powerhouse that professionals absolutely trust. Ensure the safety of your vehicle and capture every moment on the road with a Tripro 4K Dual Dash Camera, a reliable solution for both front and rear coverage. This dual dash cam delivers crisp ultra-high-definition video from wide-angle lenses, allowing you to record your entire surroundings with remarkable clarity. Built-in GPS accurately logs your routes, providing essential information in case of accidents or disputes, while integrated Wi-Fi enables quick and easy video transfer to your smartphone or computer. The dash cam also includes advanced parking monitoring, keeping your car protected around the clock from hit-and-runs and vandalism. Setup is straightforward, and the intuitive interface makes reviewing footage simple for anyone, whether you are a daily commuter, rideshare driver, or long-distance traveler. Real pros of this dash cam include dual camera coverage, high-resolution recording, convenient Wi-Fi connectivity, and reliable parking protection. Some cons to consider are that it requires occasional memory management, and the GPS feature may take time to acquire a signal in certain areas. This dash cam is ideal for anyone seeking peace of mind, combining practical, everyday use with advanced features that enhance safety and security on the road. Protect your journeys, capture unexpected events, and keep your vehicle monitored effortlessly with a device that fits seamlessly into your driving routine. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best of the best. At number 1, 70mm A810 4K Dual Dash Cam, front and rear car camera with night vision. This one redefines what performance really means: unmatched build quality, user satisfaction, and a reputation that speaks louder than words. Ensure complete peace of mind on every drive with a 70mm A810 4K Dual Dash Cam, designed to provide full coverage for both the front and rear of your vehicle. This dash cam captures crystal-clear ultra-high-definition footage, allowing you to record every detail on the road, day or night, thanks to its advanced night vision capabilities. Equipped with intelligent parking monitoring, it keeps your vehicle protected from accidents and vandalism even when parked, while the time-lapse recording feature lets you review long journeys efficiently. Setup is simple and user-friendly, making it perfect for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, or anyone who values safety and accountability on the road. Key advantages of this dash cam include high-resolution 4K recording, reliable dual camera coverage, night vision for low light conditions, and continuous parking monitoring. Some considerations are that it requires a stable memory card for optimal performance and occasional firmware updates to maintain full functionality. The built-in smart features and easy installation make it practical for everyday use, whether you want to document road trips, monitor parking areas, or ensure protection against unexpected events. This device combines safety, convenience, and clear recording in a compact design that integrates seamlessly into your car. Protect your journeys and capture every moment with confidence. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. That's all from today's reviews. I hope this video helped you understand which option fits your needs best. To make things easier for you, I've added all the product links in the description box below, so you can check the latest price, detailed specifications, and grab the best deals available right now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest product reviews. And if you have any questions, experiences, or suggestions, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.